We have a CO detecting device over here, which also has a transmission option, as in it has got a communication which can connect to the BMS system or the SCADA system. This CO monitor is capable of giving the readings up to 500 ppm, and these are well equipped or manufactured for the purpose to be used in industries like steel industries, parking, and related applications. This CO sensors has also got, or the transmitter also got a output of 4 to 20 or 0 to 10 volts, which can be selectable through the jumper at the back for the output. It has also got relay option, which means you can have an NONC to control your other equipments, which can be handshaken with this particular CO device. This has got a display and a non-display option. For the power supply, it takes 24 volts DC, and it comes with the SMPS, which can be used in any country, that converts from 110 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz frequency. So that means it can be used in any part of the world. This has also got a buzzer option just in case if there is a set point violation. The principle of this sensor is electrochemical, which is widely used in industrial application, and these are the most rugged sensors, and also gives a very accurate reading whenever you use these applications.